This is the Blackwidow Chroma V2 Razer keyboard unboxing. I've taken everything out of the box already, and I use it for almost a month now. So I'll just show you guys what was in the box. Close the box, and first start off with the sample keycap. And then you get the Razer keyboard and the wrist pad and the sticker. You get 2 of them, and a certificate with a picture on the back right there, and finally a manual that tells you everything that you will need to know. Now let's move on to the actual keyboard itself and the wrist pad. Oh, you also get a clear plastic keyboard cover that you can use as a dust cover while you're away from the keyboard and the computer. As you can see, it fits perfectly on the keyboard. Amazing! Now, we have the majestic wrist pad. Talk about that more later. And then, here, we have the keyboard itself. RGB. Let's now talk about the keyboard features. Let's put the keyboard wrist pad away for now. Alright. When I hold up the keyboard, first thing that I noticed is that the keyboard is a little bit on the heavy side. It's like a tank. So be aware. And on the back, we now have... oops, my Hulk. Put him standing. We have rubber pads. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5. 5 rubber pads. We also have 2 more rubber pads on the tip of the height adjusters. And that's about it on the back. Alright. The keyboard is fully covered with textured plastic, but I really like the finishes even though it is all plastic. There's also something on the side, 2 plugs. One of them is a USB plug and the other one is a 3.5mm jack. The keyboard has 3 outputs, 2 USB and 1 3.5 jack. Those all have rubber plugs covered on it, except for the 3.5 jack. Now, let's try plugging it in. Let's note that you only need to plug in one of the USB in order for the keyboard to work. Except the side plugs will not work until you plug in the other USB and the 3.5mm jack. The LED indicators are on the top right corner and has indicators for caps lock, number lock, scroll lock, micro record key, and gaming mode. Let's now see what features there are on the keyboard. First, we have 5 micro keys. In the top, we have volume control keys, media keys, micro record keys, gaming mode key, backlight control keys, sleep mode key, and the number lock. The keyboard also comes with the number pad because this is a full-size keyboard. You also get 4 different arrow keys. How cool is that? The keyboard is full RGB, which can be programmed, and the backlight brightness can be changed by pressing Fn plus F11 to decrease, or Fn plus F12 to increase. But you have to use the Razer Synapse program on your computer to change the actual backlight modes. Before we move on, let's do a quick typing test. I did not forget. There's a rubber on the cord to organize the cords. Also, just to note that if you don't want to use the side plugs and just use the keyboard itself, then you can just plug in the USB cord that has the Razer logo on it. The USB with the Razer logo is very specific because other USB plug will not power the keyboard up at all. So the Razer logo USB cord, it's that one right there. Alright, this keyboard is fantastic for gamers. Mine is green switch. It's slightly harder to press than a Cherry MX blue switch, but I can game for more than 5 hours without my fingers getting tired. You need quite a bit of space since this is a full-size keyboard, and you need space to your mouse too. There are 3 types of switches, yellow, orange, and green. All have 80 million lifespans. Quality is amazing, price is overpriced. I recommend buying it when it's on sale. Retail price is 229 Canadian dollars, but I bought it for 153 and 43 cents in Canadian dollars on Amazon.ca. You still get 2 years of warranty and same as what you'd get from the Razer website. The wrist pad is so comfy. I think this is the best one on the market right now. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you have questions, leave comments down below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.